bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail by Chris. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you're a new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. What are you waiting on? Please subscribe. Okay, I'm stop playing. Y'all like my hair? Y'all like my hair? What in the Stacy? Yes. Sweet Blinks, don't forget. I'm a link below her booking link. If y'all are in Memphis, please go ahead and go support my girl because she's gonna slay you in and out the door, baby. I love when I'm getting my hair done and the beautician does not stop. I love when she come in, when she starts showing hair, she don't stop until she finish, baby. That is what I am talking about. The time frame that she said I was gonna be there was the time frame that I was motherfucking there. And she actually got me out 20 minutes before she was supposed to. Woo! Yes! That's what I be talking about. I love it, y'all. Go support my girl, okay? Okay, boom. All right, so, y'all, we just got back home and I forgot that I had some stuff shipped over me. I said some stuff shipped over me. I forgot that I had some, hold on, I'm trying to figure out where I'm finna stand this because I'm holding this tripod. Okay, don't mind it here, y'all. I was washing my weave and I let it air dry right there last night, so pay attention to me, okay? Pay attention to me. So y'all, I'm gonna do like a little unboxing with you guys because I just ordered some stuff off Amazon a few days ago and a lot of shit came today and I'm actually like really excited about it. So I want to show y'all what I got because it was like right here on the doorstep when I walked in. First of all, how y'all gonna have it in this and then a box? Okay. And then it'd be so hard to open. I hate when stuff's hard to open. God damn. You want me to, what, you trying to make me discover some shit or something? Like going on a hunt? The fuck? He's trying to open up this box for me. Okay. Yeah, I'm honestly having a really good day. Honestly, when my hair is done and my eyebrows are done all at the same time and my nails are done, I still just need a feel, but not really. Like, I just be in the best mood, y'all. When you together, you just be feeling so good. I'm just saying. Okay. Oh, okay. I forgot about this, y'all. I got me a new, what's this called? A candle warmer, a wax warmer. Because one of my, Amber, she's with a family friend. She's kind of like a cousin, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, she actually bought me this. It's like an appreciation gift. Whenever I was doing the nail classes last year, if y'all remember that, go back to my old vlogs. But yeah, she gifted me one of these for Christmas, and Snicker broke it. So I have been looking around for the one that she bought me because it was a ceramic, but I can't find the exact one. But I know she said she got off Amazon, but I still have not found that exact one. So I found this one, and it's actually really cute, and it's a little more decorative. So I was like, I'm gonna put this on my plant stand, or I might put this somewhere around over there. I don't know. But either way it goes, y'all, I love these. To me, these are these are like candles. And I have like a lot of wax warmers, so y'all know I love for everything to smell good and fresh. So yes. Okay. Yeah. So I got these socks. These socks right here are, you know how like with the chunky shoes, you know, you want those chunky socks. So I ordered me some chunky socks. So I didn't order white chunky socks because for one, I can go buy some white chunky socks from anywhere. But I didn't know where I could go find like pink chunky socks, especially like the color that I'm looking for. This is actually a little lighter than I expected them to be. So I might order some more in like a darker color, because these are actually a little lighter than I expected. But they're still really cute, and you know, just make them chunk, like scrunch them up on down like that. Yeah. And I ordered a 3-pack off Amazon. I'm gonna link everything below because I know y'all want to know, because y'all nosy. New card reader, because for some odd reason the card reader that I just bought like walked away from my table at work, but it's okay because I got another one. I ordered this bag right here. This bag is a carry-on bag because I don't have a carry-on suitcase, and I honestly I didn't want to roll in one. So I went on Amazon and I found this one. This is a duffel carry-on bag, and it's a lot cuter and more suitable for me to wear. And I don't want to, like, I don't want to roll around two, you know what I'm saying? Just roll around one. So I'm going to use this, and it's cute. It looks real spacious too, y'all. I'm going to link it below so y'all can get, yeah, it got compartments in it and shit. Y'all see that? That's nice. That's nice. They got a whole other strap to it. I'm going to use it. I went and bought me a beach bag. If y'all don't know, even though I've said it numerous of times, and I tell people all the time, I love flamingos. Now, don't ask me about the history of flamingos, what they like to eat, how they sleep, like none of that shit. All I know is I like flamingos. I love to look at them. They make me smile every time I see them. I could be a flamingo. And it also could be the fact that they're pink. But I just think that they're so cute. But I got this beach bag, y'all. Isn't this cute? Y'all like my beach bag? It's flamingos. It's flamingos, and it's pink, and it has metallic on it. Isn't this cute? So we got this beach bag right here because we're going to Miami. So, well, we're not going to Miami this week, but we're going to Miami, and yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. So I was like, I'm gonna have like a beach bag. So this is gonna be my beach bag that I bring with me. So and if y'all don't know, everything is pink, period. And yeah, if you didn't, like, if you my walls are pink if y'all have not noticed. But everything's pink. Everything's pink. Pink, 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 pink. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing today. Seems like we got a lot of good stuff in the mail. I love it. I'm gonna put all this shit in my room. Got a lot of good stuff, so that's good. And now I can just package up. We're about to head out. I'm about to go to Milan Laser because we have a laser hair removal appointment today. So, and this might be our last one. So let's hope that we graduate, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and head to the Milan Laser hair removal, and we're gonna see what it's giving. Y'all, I'm nervous. Hopefully this is my last one. Like, my face looks really good, feels really good. So yeah, let's go.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to feed off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. To ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, of my word, though I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. To the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric. You could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is the change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Okay, but I think I cried a little bit. I did. Oh gosh. It's the skin for me. It's the skin for me. Y'all, we ain't gonna talk about it because you wanna know what I'm saying? Y'all know I go to Milan Laser Hair, and y'all know I've been getting this laser hair removal. So if y'all wanna talk about it, y'all can go back and look at my last vlogs from the past year, and y'all can come back in the comments. We can talk about it, but we ain't talking about it because look, your girl looking good. Your girl looking vacation ready. All right, you guys, so I am back home tonight. This is the ending of my vlog. I was gonna show you guys, I was out with Sarah, Elliot, and my brother Malcolm came, and we went to Moe's, and we went to Target, and me and Sarah just had like a very long, you know, conversation. So we are about to vibe out and just chill for the rest of the night, watch a little bit of TV, maybe clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you guys tune in to the next one, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.